crash? What's that? Looks amazing. But I will tell you what it is. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We all know that matter exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. But what Crash is playing with is having both states, solid and liquid at the same time. But how can something be solid and a liquid at the same time? Yes, there are some substances which act according to the force applied on it. Yes, they are called non-Newtonian fluids. Now let's see how you can make your own non-Newtonian fluid. To make this, add 2 parts of cornstarch and 1 part of water. Mix it well with a spoon, but it is very hard to mix it with a spoon. So better use your hands to mix. Now our non-Newtonian fluid is looking great. So let's dive into the video and know about it. Let's get started. Cornstarch is a great example of non-Newtonian fluid. In this cornstarch mixture, we have water molecules and cornstarch molecules. When we apply a sudden force, it acts as a solid, but when we apply a weak force, it acts as a liquid. When I hit this cornstarch mixture with a great force, I am feeling like hitting it on a floor. What makes this non-Newtonian fluid interesting? Viscosity. Viscosity is the ability to flow freely, or we can say viscosity is the thickness of the fluid. Let's conduct a small experiment to know about viscosity. I have taken 3 drops of different fluids. One is water, one is oil and another one is honey. When we place them on an inclined plane, you can observe that water is running more freely than oil or honey. Oil is the second winner and honey is still struggling to flow. I think you have got an idea about viscosity. The more the viscosity, the less it can move freely. Normal fluids like water have a consistent viscosity. Let's take water. Water has a consistent viscosity. It's a Newtonian fluid. It will continue to act as a liquid no matter how much force you applied on it. In non-Newtonian fluids, viscosity can change rapidly. When we apply a great force, viscosity increases. So I took the cornstarch mixture again, but this time I added a bit of food coloring just to make it interesting. So when I slide the spoon to the liquid, it goes in easily. But when I try to lift it with a great force, it acts as a solid. So you can lift it with a spoon. Isn't it looking amazing? Having a magic fluid acting as both solid and a liquid. Let's have some more fun with it. I've taken a flat plate and I fill it with this cornstarch mixture. So you can run on it, you can dance on it, you can walk on it. Let me show you how. You need not to worry about cornstarch mixture sticking to your body. It won't stick to your body. Whenever you are stepping on it, it will act as a solid. So you will get a feeling like you are just running on a normal floor. So how was the video guys? Hope you guys like it. Hit the like button if you like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So what are you waiting for guys? Go grab some cornstarch from your kitchen and play with your friends and have fun. Bye bye.